Hallo en welkom by Nagskof. Ogithi Gray bring vir ons beeldmateriaal van die adjunkminister van Nywerheidsontwikkeling, Myne en Energie, Kodentia Krone, wat die spoedige gebruik van mynboulisensies aangemoedig het. Ons gaan kyk meer.
Continues to champion policies that promote exploration, responsible mining, value addition, and equitable benefit sharing. I also wish to extend my gratitude to the Chamber of publishing a memorial of our late founding father, His Excellency Dr. Sen Shabishunan Ryoma, for his unwavering dedication, resilience, and a visionary leadership, not only for the nation, but also for the mining sector to prosper. His legacy will forever remain with us. May his soul rest in eternal peace. As you are aware, the mining industry continues to contribute significantly to the economy of this country, and for that I would like to thank all the captains of the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, our mandate as newly appointed Minister and Deputy Minister of Industries, Mines and Energy is to implement the Swapa Party Manifesto, and job creation is high on the agenda, and that can only be achieved by finding mineable deposits and to open more mines. The Ministry will work hard not to delay the granting of exploration mining licenses, not to hinder business in the country. However, the Ministry is concerned by some mineral right holders that are not adhering to their approved exploration programs, which result in licenses not being renewed. When exploration licenses are issued, some of the holders take too long to execute the exploration programs, which locks up ground and delays potential mineral discoveries. Secondly, there are mining licenses that have been granted for a long time now without any mining development taking place. In the coming weeks, the Ministry will engage all mining license holders on the way forward and how we can assist them to start with production.
Lina Wattieshuis het ook 'n geleentheid bygewoon wat die Be Free Stichting aangebied het vir tienerseuns en dogters se geestesgesondheid. Dr. Veronica Tron van die Be Free Stichting was daar aan die woord.
My task, plain and simple, is to welcome you here. And like Daniel also said, this is not a space for long government speeches. It's an interactive space where we want to